பாரு.
புள்ள தமிழ் தெரியாதா?
Day 3. Day 2 is over. That was coming from Coimbatore to Salem, that is Naren's home. It is a beautiful place. Salem is known as to be one of the most top 5 district of 2022 of Tamil Nadu. And we have come to Yercaud, nearby to Salem. We are going to have coffee at Cafe Shop. Look at directly in front of the car. We'll sit in the front. So we have come to Rose Garden. Rose Garden is opposite of Ladies Point. Here they have a ticket per person, 30 rupees. This what you get is one botanical garden,
Rose Garden
viewpoint. This place is really beautiful, full of trees, flowers, and pathways
so steep.
and so steep. See, and get a water bottle if you're coming this side, because you have to climb it out. In case you're feeling tired, you can have water. No water available to drink inside the park. Phase 2 botanical garden. Yeah, only botanical garden. Phase 2. Okay. So it was really beautiful in botanical garden. We have taken enough photos from here and it is around 3:10, 3:15 और हम लोग यहाँ से निकलने वाले हैं. So that we'll be reaching home around at 4 o'clock. एक chocolate factory जहाँ पे locally बनता है, handmade. We'll take some. This is it from day 3. We are heading towards station. I mean via home, or that is to Coimbatore trip in August 2022. Thank you and see you in the next one. Are extremely tired today, and this is how day 3 is ending, and we are returning back to Hyderabad. This is Naren, he is leaving his home, so he's and we will leave. Our train is supposed to come at around 6:33. No, 6:47. More 10-15 minutes. Vehicle will arrive, and we have too much of luggages to board. This is it. Signing out. Somnath as Mr. Gimble. See you in the next one.